Warm greetings from Telx Incorporated.
Hello.
Yes, we do.
Yes, we are. Advantages of our products and services.
We offer
Cisco IP phones empower your business with a complete collaboration experience that connects you with the right people and the right information at the right time, so you can accelerate your team's performance and maximize your business results. The Cisco IP Phone 6800 series is designed with enhanced affordability in mind. The 6800 series is ideal for customers with moderate to active voice-over IP needs looking for an affordable desk phone. With the IP Phone 8800 series, your business can benefit from cost-effective, reliable, secure, and scalable high-definition voice-over IP communications, as well as HD video calling, wideband audio for premium voice quality, high-performance audio conferencing for small to large conference rooms. With Cisco 8800 series IP phones with multi-platform firmware, you can enjoy Cisco's superior phone design, quality, and features while using an approved third-party cloud-hosted platform.
Telx supports on-demand domestic and international conferences. Mobility. The quality. Convenient. We will be glad to see your company join the family of our happy customers. Business phone solution from Telx is always an affordable and reliable choice to power your business.